Welcome. We're diving into the essential AI tools you need to succeed in 2026 without spending a dime. Whether you are a student drowning in research or a freelancer trying to land your next big client, these 5 tools are game changers. It's 2026, and if you're still paying for 20 different AI subscriptions, you're doing it wrong. These 5 tools are 100% free and designed to keep you ahead. Let's dive in. First up is Google's Notebook LM, which we're calling the Research King. In 2026, Notebook LM is every student's secret weapon and a freelancer's fast track to client brand mastery. It can even turn your notes into a professional podcast-style briefing, so you can study while at the gym. Next is Gamma AI, what we call the presentation killer. Stop wasting hours on PowerPoint. Gamma AI creates professional presentations, websites, and documents from a single prompt. For freelancers, it's the ultimate way to send a stunning proposal in minutes. For students, it's the A+ you didn't have to stay up all night for. Tool number 3 is Perplexity AI, the ultimate search evolution. Searching Google is so 2023. Perplexity AI is your real-time research assistant. It's perfect for academic integrity for students and market research for freelancers who need facts, not hallucinations. Fourth, we have Canva Magic Studio, your new design hub. You don't need to be a designer anymore. Canva's Magic Studio has hit its peak in 2026. If you're a freelancer offering social media services or a student making a project poster, this is your one-stop shop. Finally, we have Otter.ai, the meeting and lecture savior. Otter.ai records your meetings or lectures and transcribes them in real time. And the best part, it summarizes the key points into a to-do list. Freelancers, never miss a client requirement again. Students, stop frantically writing and start actually listening. The world is moving fast, but these free tools will keep you ahead of the curve. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below and don't forget to save this video for your next project. Peace.